Hi everyone, this is Shihab Raihan. Today I'm going to explain what I have learned in week 7. In this week 7, I mainly learned about requirement engineering. The requirement engineering means finding and understand what a system needs to do before making software. We need to know what user wants. For example, if we are making a student attend the system, we need to know what a student and teacher need from the system. Uh, why the requirement engineer is important? Requirement engineer is very important because it helps us to understand system before we start the coding. uh, if we do not understand the requirement, it may build the wrong system. It can waste time and money. Good requirements also help develop user clients understand the same idea, so requirement engineer can reduce mistake and make software better. uh, what is a case diagram? A case diagram is simple diagram. It shows the user system and what they can do in the system. It usually called as actor. For example, in a student attendance system, the main actor can be student, lecturer, and administration. The diagram shows how those actors use the system. uh, what a student can do the attendance system. A student can check their attendance. The student may also view their attendance history. This helps student to know how many classes they have attended. What lecturer can do in attendance system? A lecturer can record student attendance. A lecturer can also view attendance records. If needed, the lecturer may can update or correct the attendance information. It makes the management easier. So what administration can do? The administration can manage users and attendance information. For example, the administration can manage student and lecture detail. The administration also can check attendance report. So how I can use this skill in software engineering project? I can use requirement engineering at the beginning of software engineering project. First I can talk with user and understand what they need. They can write the requirements clearly. After that I can make sure the case diagram. The case diagram will help my team to understand who will use the system and what uh, user can do. For example, in my project a student management system, I can definitely student, teacher, and administration as an actor. Then I can show their activities in the case of diagram. It will help us to design software coding. What is the main thing I have learned in this week? The main thing I have learned uh, that we should not start coding without understanding the requirement. First, we need to understand the user, their needs. Then we can design the system. After that, we can start development. Requirement engineer can use diagram, can help us to software in a clear and organization way. That's for today. Thank you so much for listening.